Hi, welcome to Insight Club. In this video, we are discussing the MMT002 MSc MSCS of IGNO assignments. So here we are discussing before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all assignments in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you are looking for the assignments in PDF or handwritten, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Here are the questions that you can see. The first question, which of the following statements are true and which are false? Give reason for your answer. If B is finite dimension vector space and T is a diagonalisable linear operator, then there is a basis unique up to order of the elements with respect to which the matrix of T is diagonal. So in this one, we have to tell about this state, is this statement is true or false, and we have to give the reason for this. And for information, we have solved all the questions of this and we have written answers in the PDF form. So if you are looking for this, we will very appreciate that if you will contact us. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.